I wrote this book because I wanted to humanize my experiences. I want other people to understand that this does happen. Also, I was overwhelmed by the injustice and unfairness, that my dad's truth was twisted and that his character was changed by the Martens and by the media. And I think it's really important that my dad is remembered for the person that he was.
Why was it important for you to seek out a justice on behalf of your dad?
My dad was an amazing person. And like I said, his truth was twisted and our truths were twisted. And 3 days after my dad was killed, I lied because someone I loved told me to say something about someone else that I loved that wasn't the truth, and they called it the truth. And I did lie. And that is part of the reason why the Martens are walking free today. And it's a bit of redemption for me because I've tried in every way to take that back. But I want my dad to be remembered for the amazing dad that he was and the amazing husband that he was.
So tell me what he was like, for you as a dad, and what you'd like us to know about him.
My dad was definitely the fun dad. He would be at the bottom of the stairs on the weekend saying booga wooga wooga, and he would see how many steps I could go up and jump into his arms. And I remember my dad's warmth. I remember my little hand, I can only wrap it around one of his fingers, and walking on the beach in Spanish Point, And my dad had a good character. He taught me a lot of lessons in the short time that we had together. He taught me not to judge anyone by the cover, and he was present, he was happy, he was very loving and supportive. No matter what we were doing, he was always the loudest parent in the crowd cheering us on.